Hello everybody, this is Shakti here. Today I am here to tell you about self-motivation. Self-motivation is very important task and aspect in our life. Recently I have gone through one news that one student from Mohali, he was, he committed suicide uh, because he was having less marks. He was, result is not yet declared, but it's internal feeling of him that he'll not be getting good marks, so he committed suicide. So what I feel is this is not any solution, my dear friends. Committing suicide is really very wrong. Life is very much precious, given by God, and you people are living for your parents, my dear friends. Just think of them whenever you are doing or whenever you are taking these kinds of actions. Um, your parents are very much important for yourself. Whatever you are at present, you are due to your parents. At present you people are dependent on themselves. One day will come when they will be dependent on yourselves. So up to today, if you have lived according to their rules. So if you are doing these kinds of things, this is very bad, first of all, and you should not do. Whenever you will do these kinds of things, this will, I mean, your parents will feel really very bad. I mean, they will be disheartened, and you are really a jewel of your parents. If you are only and you people are educated people. If you are getting failure, doesn't matter, man. That the boy who is just thinking only I'll not be able to get good marks in physics and is committing suicide, this we don't have to do. Failure, who is not getting failure? All the successful men who got success in their life, they met first initially with failure, then they got success in their life. So if you are thinking ki I am failed in life, I am good for nothing, that then what I personally feel is you are very wrong. Failure is the first step to success. Learn from the failure. Whatever you are not able to do, that you have to learn from your failure, and then again try for it, and surely you will achieve success. So the thing is, never get disheartened. If you are getting failure in life, so just have experience of better thing to do in future. And self motivation is very important. You yourself knows very keenly, and very, nobody knows yourself apart from your physical appearance. If we talk about, people will tell you you are looking like this, and but they will never, they will never tell you ki you are good for these things. Very rarely people say, because people in this world are jealous of each other. They're very much jealous of each other. So you yourself can judge yourself very well. Yourself, you can go to the highest peak. You can come out with flying colors. So what I wish to say is, never feel disheartened, and whenever you are getting failure, just try to get experience from that. Try to learn the things ki how, what was the thing that I have left behind and I got failure. So try again for that thing, and you will surely get success, my dear friends. Thank you very much.